Agus béim na deire seachtainna chórsaí aclíochta. Tá na Underdogs ag dulchan cainte le Mary Cullen, hÉireann fadréan, agus búiteoir bound críú na horpa.
I'm just, I love standing here in front of a group of women, to be honest with you.
Early go.
No, but this is what it's all about. Like, you know, that this is why, like, the women qualify from the World Cup, or Ciara McGeehan running an Irish record last night. It's little kids that look at you guys, or look at. Hopefully, maybe they looked at me winning my European bronze medal in 2009, and they look and they're like, I want to do that. But I was an awful messer as a kid as well. Like in school, if you go back to teachers, they probably would have said like, oh yeah, she's kind of high energy. She mightn't have sat still for a while. As a kid even, you know, I grew up watching Sonia O'Sullivan. I'll never forget watching her with my aunt in 2000 when she won that silver medal. And I just wanted to emulate stuff like that. I don't know, like it just was in me that I wanted to do it. I got to travel to places in the world that I suppose I never would have seen maybe if it wasn't for running. And it was the best time of my life. And I don't know if I'll ever have a job that will, you know, really give me that buzz. You know, some people say to me, you know, what did you do for a career? And my job was to get up in the morning, go for my run, rest, go out for my run again in the evening, and all those qualities that I learned as a runner, I then implemented when I was going through my treatment.
Fuair Mary an droscéile go raibh ailte iarrthaí agus iag iompar cluiche.
It was a very difficult time in my life, but I continued to run for the first maybe 3 or 4 weeks of my treatment. And some people kind of thought, oh, like, are you not a little bit mad? Like, you're going through a lot with your chemo plus your radiations. But running was my therapy. It was something that I needed to do, like.
Tá scéal Mary ag dul go mór ag cionn Jenny Claffey, atá ag súil lena páiste hain.
Life's going to change, and that's really, really exciting. But listening to her, like, I'm very lucky I can really dedicate all my time into loving this little baby girl that's coming.
If I was to give one piece of advice, it would be always believe in yourselves, because at the end of the day, if you feel like you can do it, then you can do it.
Her story is so inspiring. Just everything that she went through, you know, when you have this aim in life and you keep getting knockbacks, but it was just the way that she was so resilient. I thought it was amazing, really.
Underdogs, a go forward le hÉireann.